Hi everybody, welcome to Money Reset Hub. My name is Alicia. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about some things you can start implementing today to help with your money. So, question I have for you is, have you ever said to yourself, I'm just bad with money. I don't know what to do when I get my paycheck. Every paycheck to the next paycheck, I'm always broke. No worries, because I'm going to be showing you some things that you can start implementing to help you organize your finances. Why money feels overwhelming. Why does the concept and the thought of even organizing out finances can just make your brain want to explode? Well, that is because a lot of people grew up never having to talk about money. I was one of them. So not having that table talk with family, you grow up and you just start paying bills, start spending money, trying to keep up with life and trying to save, and it's a lot. But I will encourage you to know that all you have to do is just take the first step in changing how you talk to yourself and how you think about money. Instead of saying I'm bad with money, start saying I'm learning how to manage my money better. So speak into existence what your goal is, what you're trying to do. That small shift matters because your mindset affects your decision, and that decision affects your future. And the way you speak to yourself can either keep you stuck or help you move forward. So the choice is yours on how you have that self-talk and that self-dialogue. The next step is getting a clear picture of your money. You want an overall look of your finances. You need to know what money is coming in, your first job, second job, side hustle. You need to know what money is going out, your essential bills, any debt. You need to know what bills are due and the overall amount of debt that you owe, because you want to organize that out. If you're keeping everything all scattered, that makes the whole process of managing finances overwhelming. So that brings me to my next point, which is budget sheets. They are essential to have. So for people who are financially responsible, from personal finances all the way up to a business, have some form of a budget sheet. Now, I don't want you to think a budget sheet is there to make you feel restricted, but it is there to help you stay organized, to keep you on track with your spending habits. It can show you where your money is going, what expenses keep showing up, and where you need to make some changes. So are you overspending on entertainment, eating out? Like, what are you actually doing with your money? And that's what the budget sheet is going to show you. You don't need to fix everything all in one sitting. Start small. Remember, Rome was not built overnight. Start by writing down your income. The next day, write down all your bills. Then the following day, write down things you're spending your money on. Once you can see it clearly, like on paper, you can start making better decisions. Now, what I would like for you to also do, if you can't keep up with everything or just know right off the bat what you're spending money on, get an overall analysis by pulling out your bank statement. And you can do one or two things. You can comb through it line by line, and you can put the categories of if it's entertainment, if it's a necessity that you're spending your money on, and so forth. That's more of like a manual way. But now that we have AI, you can also plug that information into things like ChatGPT and have it to organize out what your bank statements are. And you'll know for sure, with the accurate number, the amount of money that you're spending in each category. So that will help you know where you need to scale back a little bit. The main thing I want you to know and remember is you're not hopeless, you're not behind, you just have to start. You just need the structure, the patience, and a plan that you're gonna actually stick to and follow. So today, do one small thing, write down your bills or your income, then look at your accounts, start focusing on your budget sheet, track your spending for the week, and then you're off to a great start. So one small step at a time can make you feel so much more in control of your money. If you feel any of this information has helped you, or you're gonna try it, one, comment below and let me know if you're ready. And then secondly, I want you to subscribe to Money Reset Hub, because I'm gonna be sharing so much more information for you to start implementing to help with your finances. So remember, reset your money, rebuild your mindset, and build your future. And I'll see you guys in the next video.